welcome back to my channel. This is Boss Vision. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that I post. So as you can see by the title, we're doing a huge Bath & Body Works sale haul again. We're back at it again. They keep throwing us these surprise sales, so every time they do, I go crazy. So they had this $2.75 body care, travel body care sale today, one day only, in stores only, so I had to go in and go crazy. So I'm going to show you guys everything I got, but I also have to let you know that your girl is, I have a confession, your girl is sensitive. I have sensitive skin, okay? So I am allergic to fragrances, you guys. So with that being said, I can only use hand lotions and then spray fragrances on my clothes. You know what that means? I have to give away all of the stuff I just bought, all the stuff I haven't even opened from that great sale last weekend. So you guys, if you watch to the end of this video, I'll tell you how to enter into my giveaway because I'm doing a huge giveaway. I just want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers and all the support, all the great comments I've been getting. And my first video, the Bath & Body Works video, reached 9,000 views, which is amazing. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for that. So I'm going to be giving away so many things, like so many fragrances. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's just get right into the haul. All right, guys, I am so happy about this. You have no idea. Okay, so they were giving away, okay, they're not giving away. They were having a sale for all of the little body care, the travel body cares, which comes with like hand creams, hand sanitizers, lip scrubs, everything like that. So I went crazy, y'all. The first thing I got was this pink velvet cupcake. I love the way this smelled. I tried it in the store and it smells amazing. Oh my God. It makes you feel like you're on this light cloud of sweetness and it's just amazing, y'all. Y'all really should get pink velvet cupcake for sure. Then I got a staple for me, vanilla buttercream. You can never go wrong with vanilla buttercream. It is so good, y'all. You have no idea. I love it because it has moisturizing shea butter and vitamin E in it, and it just smells so sweet. And I'm really a fan of sweet scents for the fall. So you know, Bath & Body Works fans, we kind of have a season for everything. So just comment down below if you're like me and you like sweet scents for the fall and then like floral scents for the spring and then like those fresh scents for the summer. That's just the way I do it. I don't know. I'm just addicted to, you know, a certain way of things, kind of OCD, but yeah. Comment down below if you guys have a method too. So the next thing I got was this hyaluronic hydrating cream. So the next thing I got was this hyaluronic hydrating cream. It's rose water. Guys, I love rose water. You have no idea. And since I can't wear any fragrances anymore, I'll be living vicariously through my hand creams here. So it promotes skin health and retains up to 1,000 times its weight in water to leave your skin feeling smooth and nourished, which I love. I love their water collection. I was so hurt when the water collection was removed. So when I saw these little body creams, I was like, yes, I cannot believe they have just the little samples because, you know, they're literally discontinuing the water collection, which is like their best collection. They're basically saying, oh, we were doing so well with this, let's just toss it, you know? So yeah, they're silly for that. But yeah, I'm so happy I found this one. Next, I found an original water collection. This is gold, you guys. You have no idea. This is the purest stuff that they have. It has hyaluronic acid in it, just like the other one, and it is amazing. It smells so good. You know, it promotes skin health and retains up to 1,000 times its weight as well, which I love. I love a nice hand cream, and since I'm not allowed to use anything on my body, this is perfect. So yeah, this is awesome. Next, I have this hemp seed oil hand cream. I've seen this online multiple times because I follow a lot of girls who, you know, love Bath & Body Works. Comment down below if you guys do the same thing, you know? Like, I love to follow people who have this, have like sales on their page. So yeah, let me know if you guys do that too. But this I love because I love anything hemp, CBD, anything like that, because I know it promotes relaxation and it reduces soreness. So I definitely love this hemp seed oil. yeah, it's cruelty free, which I need because I'm so sensitive, and it's clinically tested to moisturize after a single use. So I'm looking forward to trying this too. Next, I have pumpkin cupcake. Okay, guys, when I walked in the door, I was super excited, but you know the Bath and Body Works ladies, they be like, stop, stop, don't move. You got to hand sanitize. So I rushed to hand sanitize and do what they told me to do, because they make you hand sanitize quick with the quickness, the first thing. And I hand sanitized with a pumpkin cupcake hand sanitizer, and I fell in love. So I was like, oh my God, where is the hand cream? And I found it, and it's amazing. I love that everything comes with shea butter in it. They know we need that moisturizing effect. So this one is amazing because it comes with the shea butter and vitamin E, and it is a hand cream that absorbs quickly to leave your hands feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. So I definitely love that. So I'm looking forward to using this because I can't use any body lotion, so I'll still have this nice smell of pumpkin cupcake, because this one, whew, is so sweet, and it kind of has like a cinnamony flip. Oh my God, it's amazing, you guys. Then I kind of went a little crazy here and got some of my Old Faithfuls. So I don't know if you've seen my last video on Bath and Body Works. I love Gingham. I swear by Gingham. That's perfect for the summer, but I wanted to be a little unorthodox. I know the fall is coming, and I got another one, y'all. I got another one, and I don't want y'all to judge me. Don't judge me, love me. So I got another Gingham because it's my favorite scent. It's so fresh and floral, and I can't wear it on my body anymore, so I got the nice little body cream, which I think will be amazing. Oh, I'm sorry, the hand cream, which I think will be amazing for me, just to have that extra scent, because I like to smell good and feel good, you know. The next thing I got was, you know, a summer scent. It's At the Beach. This one, actually, I can put on my body and it doesn't irritate me, so I think I'm going to use this for my body as well, because I don't mind this one for some reason. My body I have sensitive skin that's like super sensitive to fragrances, but for some reason this coconut shea butter-y fragrances works well for me, so I'm just gonna go with it, you know. Yeah, so you can't go wrong with At the Beach. It's really good, it's very moisturizing, and makes your skin feel like butter, to be honest. Alright guys, the last hand cream I got was a paraffin hand, nail, and cuticle hand cream. So when I was looking at this, I was like, oh, that seems very nourishing, and I could definitely use that when I do another at-home DIY nail set, so that I can just have moisturized hands after, so it'll be a really nice effect. Comment down below if you guys have seen my nail video and any other nail DIY videos you'd like me to do. I can do a dip, I can do a gel, I can do just pretty much anything. I could do different shapes, like coffin shapes. I really want to get into doing my own nails, because honestly, we'll go to the salon and these ladies will do your nails, and you don't want to be mean or anything, but they don't do what you want. They don't get it how you want. So honestly, I think that I just want to start doing my own nails and do the shapes that I want, do the thickness that I want, the shine that I want. Gel polish, I mean, you spend extra $10 every time you go for gel polish, and I'm going to stop doing that and just use my one thing of gel polish multiple times, because you know what? We need to be smarter with our money, okay? It's almost 2021, and we need to be smart with our money. Just because you have it doesn't mean that you should waste it. Sorry, I got a little off topic, but yeah, this is a great paraffin hand, nail, and cuticle hand cream. I love this. I'm excited to try it. So next we can move on to the crazy amount of lip glosses that I bought. So yes, I have several lip glosses already, but it's about to be winter, you guys. Your lips is about to be dry. You know that, okay? So you gotta prepare. So guys, I decided to buy a lip butter. Have you ever seen a lip butter at Bath & Body Works? Comment down below. Let me know if you've ever seen a lip butter, because I haven't. This is the first time I've seen a lip butter, and I had to get it. So I just got the normal generic one. They had some that were tinted, but I didn't want to do anything like that. I just wanted to do this nice plain one. It's formulated with coconut oil and beeswax. See, Bath & Body Works cares. They know that we don't need all of those artificial colors, all of that artificial stuff. We need the pure organic stuff to moisturize. So this is perfect. I've never had a lip butter, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. I think it'll be amazing. Next, I got my favorite night balm. So I've never tried a night balm, but I think that'll be awesome, because at night you don't want your lips to be dry, and when you wake up your lips are a little chapped, you know, around the corner or something after you brush your teeth at night and things. but I think this will eliminate that for sure. It's a nice little night balm. All of these were $7.50, but I got them on sale for $2.75, you guys, so I kind of went crazy. So the next one is an Old and Faithful Mentha Supreme. It's twice the moisturizers and twice the breath freshness. So a lot of times I run out of gum and I don't have enough gum and I'll be wanting something fresh. So I definitely love that Bath & Body Works offers these freshness lip glosses because it freshens up your breath and it moisturizes your lips. So it's the best of both worlds. You can't go wrong, you know? So I'm definitely looking forward to this. It's 100% natural mint. I love the organic, natural aspect of Bath & Body Works, so I'm looking forward to this for sure. I go through this stuff like crazy, especially in the winter, you know, so I'm glad I stocked up. Next, they have this new thing that I've never seen there as well, this all-purpose balm, the Rose Balm. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. It was $9.50, but I got it for $2.75, so I'm definitely looking forward to this. It says for your lips, face, or anything that needs care. So it's not just for your lips, it's for your face, or even like any little dry little corner in your hand. So I'm looking forward to this. It's a rose balm that has like flower extract. And okay, it does have some red dyes in there, but that's fine. And I think this will be a really great addition to my collection because I've never seen this there. Like, let me know if you guys have ever seen this. This is probably at the outlets, but I've never even been to an outlet. I just go to my neighborhood Bath & Body Works, yeah. So then I just picked up some of their SAS stuff because honestly, my neighborhood store still has SAS stuff just in the corner. These were $1. These were $1.75 because they were 75% off of $7.50. So these were $1.75. I just got these little sweetheart cupcake ones because I bought one before during semi-annual and I knew it was amazing. So I just bought 3 of them because they were just $1.75. I mean, you can't go wrong. And then you guys, I picked up 2 hand sanitizers. The one I mentioned earlier, the pumpkin cupcake, because this smells good, y'all. Oh my God. Like seriously, and it's perfect for the fall. I love pumpkin cupcake. So I'm definitely looking forward to just using this because you know you can't go wrong with hand sanitizer during this tough time. So yeah. Then I picked up this hand sanitizer Love. It's rose and vanilla, which I love. I love this scent in my candles. So I was like, this is gonna be perfect. It's a nice aromatherapy hand sanitizer. So you guys, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one too. And I go through these little things like crazy. I should have gotten like 10, but I just got 2 because as you can see, I kind of went ham on the hand creams. All right guys, and last but not least, I got this Sugar Rose exfoliating lip scrub. I definitely wanted to try lip scrub because I love just to moisturize and take care of my lips. So I think this will be perfect for me. And it was $9.50, but I got it for $2.75, and I'm super excited to try it because I definitely love just a good like exfoliation to just soften up your lips, especially with all the stuff we go through, you know, with the season changing and making your lips dry and cracked during the winter. So this is definitely do wonders. Okay, and now to the moment everyone's waiting for. I have to give away multiple items. So I'm just gonna go get them and show you what I'm giving away. Okay guys, I'm back. So I wanted to position it so that you can see everything. Yeah, so you'll be getting the entire strawberry collection, which comes with the Fine Fake Fragrance Mist, the Ultra Shea Body Cream, brand new, the brand new strawberry scrub. You guys look at that. I love this. I wish I wasn't allergic. And you'll be getting this perfect bonfire bash. It's perfect for the fall season. The body cream and the fine fragrance mist together. And you'll be getting this huge collection of At the Beach because this is my favorite and I'm allergic to it. It kind of irritates me a little bit. So the fine fragrance mist, beautiful, brand new. This sand and sea salt scrub sounds amazing. I know it would kill my skin. Beautiful, brand new. And this beautiful moisturizing body wash as well from them. You guys will love it for sure. And then I have this Gingham whipped sugar body scrub. I had it before, I loved it, and it gave me a rash, but that's because I have super sensitive skin. It won't give you a rash. So this is brand new. I haven't touched this one. And you'll be getting this sleep collection, which I haven't even tried yet, so I don't even know if it's amazing, but I'm sure it is, because look at the packaging. Come on. It's amazing. Let me smell it. Yep, just like I remember. It smells good. California lavender, sage, and geranium. This is the last product. So you'll be getting all of this free. And all you'll need to do is like this video, comment down below your favorite video from me and the type of videos you'd like to see in the future. Share this channel on your social media. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. My Instagram is T_sweets with a Z 93. And definitely subscribe and comment down below done. And once you've done that, you'll be all set. And the giveaway will be over on Monday, September 14th. So on Monday, I'll be announcing on my Instagram who the winner is. So you'll have to be following me to know who won. And yeah, I wish you all the best of luck. I know you're gonna love these products because your skin's probably not as sensitive as mine. And it's bittersweet because I love you guys. I'm so happy that you subscribe to me. I can't believe I've gotten almost 600 subscribers in only 2 weeks. That's amazing. I'm so thankful for you guys. But it's sad because I love these fragrances and they gotta go. New beginnings, less redness and craziness for me, y'all. But it's gonna be a new beginning for one of you lucky subscribers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you enter into the giveaway. I'll put the instructions down below in case you missed it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, week, whatever it is. Just enjoy your life, live in your purpose, and bye.